Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use camera shake effect in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Adding a camera shake effect in CapCut can make your videos more dynamic and engaging. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use the camera shake effect in CapCut on your Android device. Firstly, launch the CapCut app on your device, then tap on the New Project button. Then choose the video you want to apply the shake effect to from your gallery. Tap Add to import it into your project. Tap on the video clip and the timeline to choose it. Now, find the animation. Browse through the categories, for example, in or out, until you find the shake effect you want to use. So, go to In section, then find the shake effect, tap on it, then go to Out, then find the shake effect, tap on the desired shake effect to preview it. You can also adjust the duration of the effect by dragging the edges of the effect layer and the timeline. Then tap on check mark to apply the shake effect to your video. Tap on the play button to preview the video with the shake effect applied. And once you are satisfied with the shake effect, tap on the export button at the top right corner. By following these steps, you can effectively add and customize the camera shake effect in CapCut, enhancing the visual impact of your videos. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.